Hi, good evening, everyone. I'm Rowena. I'm from the batch 3, and tonight I will be reading the book of Ezra, chapter 2. The title here is The Captives Who Returned to Jerusalem. Now, these are the people of the province who came back from the captivity, of those who had been carried away, whom Nebuchadnezzar, the king of Babylon, had carried away to Babylon, and who returned to Jerusalem and Judah, everyone to his own city. Those who came with Zerubbabel were Joshua, Nehemiah, Sariah, Reliah, Mordecai, Bilshan, Mispar, Bigvai, Rehum, and Baanan. The number of the men of the people of Israel, the people of Parosh, 2,172. The people of Shephatiah, 372. The people of Ara, 775. The people of Pahat, Moab, of the people of Jeshua and Joab, 2,812. The people of Elam, 1,254. The people of Zatu, 945. The people of Sakai, 760. The people of Bani, 642. The people of Bebai, 623. The people of Asgad, 1,222. The people of Adonikam, 666. The people of Bigvai, 2,056. The people of Adin, 454. The people of Ater of Hezekiah, 98. The people of Besai, 322. The people of Joran, 112. The people of Hashum, 223. The people of Gibar, 95. The people of Bethlehem, 123. The men of Nitopa, 56. The men of Anatot, 128. The people of Asmavib, 42. The people of Kirjat Arim, Chipera, and Berot, 743. The people of Ramah and Geba, 621. The men of Michmas, 122. The men of Bethel and Ai, 223. The people of Nebo, 52. The people of Magbish, 156. The people of the other Elam, 1,254. The people of Harim, 320. The people of Lod, Hadid, and Ono, 725. The people of Jericho, 345. The people of Sinaa, 3,630. The priests, the sons of Jediah, of the house of Jeshua, 973. The sons of Emir, 1,052. The son of Pashhur, 1,247. The sons of Harim, 1,017. The Levites, the son of Joshua and Kadmiel, of the sons of Hodaviah, 74. The singers, the sons of Asaph, 128. The sons of gatekeepers, the sons of Shalom, the sons of Atir, the sons of Talmon, the sons of Akub, the sons of Hatita, and the sons of Shobai, 139 in all. The Nitinim, the sons of Siha, the sons of Hasupa, the sons of Tabaot, the sons of Keros, the sons of Shia, the sons of Padon, the sons of Lebana, the sons of Hagaba, the sons of Akub, the sons of Hagab, the sons of Shalmai, the sons of Hanan, the sons of Gidil, the sons of Gahar, the sons of Riaya, the sons of Risin, the sons of Nikoda, the sons of Gasam, the sons of Usa, the sons of Pasiah, the sons of Bisai, the sons of Asna, the sons of Mionim, the sons of Niposim, the sons of Bakbuk, the sons of Hakupa, the sons of Harhur, the sons of Baslut, the sons of Mehida, the sons of Harsha, the sons of Barkus, the sons of Sirah, the sons of Tama, the sons of Nisiah, and the sons of Hatipa. The sons of Solomon's servant, the sons of Sotai, the sons of Sopirit, the sons of Peruda, the sons of Jaala, the sons of Darkon, the sons of Gidil, the sons of Shipatiah, the sons of Hatil, the sons of Porcheret of Sibaim, and the sons of Ami. All the Nethinim and the children of Solomon's servants were 392. And these were the ones who came up from Tel Minah, Tel Harsha, Cherub, Adan, and Immer, but they could not identify their father's house or their genealogy. The redeemer of Israel, the sons of Delilah, the sons of Tobiah, and the sons of Nekoda, 652. And of the sons of priests, the sons of Habeah, the sons of Cus, the sons of Barzillai, who took a wife of the daughters of Barzillai, the Gileadite, and was called by their name. These sought their listing among those who were registered by genealogy, but they were not found. Therefore, they were excluded from the priesthood as defined. And the governor said to them that they should not eat of the most holy things till a priest could consult with the Urim and Thummim. The whole assembly together was 42,316. Besides their male and female servants, of whom there were 7,377, 337, and they had 200 men and women singers. Their horses were 736, their mules 245, their camels 435, and their donkeys 6,720. Some of the heads of the fathers' houses, when they came to the house of the Lord, which is in Jerusalem, offered freely for the house of God, to erect it in its place according to their ability. They gave to the treasury for the work 61,000 gold drachmas, 5,000 minas of silver, and 100 priestly garments. So the priests and the Levites, some of the people, the singers, the gatekeepers, and the Nethinim dwelt in their cities, and all Israel in their cities. Thanks be to for the word of God. There are 70 verses in chapter 2. So what is our reflection for this chapter? So the Esther 2 is more than just a list of names. So we can see that there's a lot of names, sons of this and sons of that. It's also a testament of faith, unity of the Jewish people during the significant period of the history. Reflecting on this chapter is it encourages us to appreciate our heritage, where we came from, and to trust in God's promises, and to value community, and to recognize the importance of each and everyone's contribution. And that's all for tonight. Good night. God bless.